Ugly bird, oh ugly bird, what are you here for? Thank you, Madam Chairperson. Good evening, honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen, and fellow 4-H members. It all started last summer after fixing fence at our pasture. When we came home, we found that we brought 9 little hitchhikers, ticks. Later that night, my mom posted on Facebook about our long day and those hitchhikers. One of my mom's friends commented on a post saying she just got some birds that could help with our problem. My mom looked these birds up and was interested right away. My mom showed me these birds. Wow, those are ugly birds. Here's why I call these birds ugly birds. These birds have a head like a vulture and a body like a pheasant. I know. You're thinking that sure sounds ugly. These birds are not really called ugly birds. They are actually called guinea fowl, or guinea for short. Others call them speckled hens because of all the white speckling on their bodies. There are many different colors of guinea fowl: chocolate, pearl, royal purple, violet, blue, white, pied, and most commonly pearl gray. These birds are originally from the west coast of Africa. Bugs and all things creepy-crawly are the guinea's main source of food. They can eat 4,000 ticks a day. They also eat frogs, snails, insects, snakes, mealworms, and earthworms. They also eat cereals like oats, barley, and corn, which should be fed more in the winter because it keeps them warm. They love millet. It is a treat for these birds. You are probably wanting to know how to tell the females and the males apart. Well, there are 2 common ways of knowing how to tell the sex, but it is still very tricky. First is the way they talk. Male guineas use a 1-syllable call that sounds like they are saying wheat, wheat, wheat. And female guineas use a 2-syllable call that sounds like they are saying buckwheat, buckwheat, buckwheat. The second way is the size of their wattles and helmets. Adult males usually have larger wattles and helmets than adult females. But like I said, it is still tricky, as the females have been known to mimic the male sound. Girls are sure smart. Guinea fowl eggs can be eaten like a chicken's. Guinea eggs have more protein than chicken eggs. This is because the yolk is the main inside of their eggs, and they have much less egg whites than chicken egg. Did you know that a baby guinea is called a keet? If you plan to hatch some keets, you may need an incubator, because female guineas are not good moms. They are not like chickens that sit and brood on their eggs. A guinea will lay an egg, then walk away. I do not blame them. Kids are hard. If your plan is to let your guineas roam free, which is best for pest control and, believe it or not, yard security, you will need to train them where home is. Start by releasing them one at a time. This way, they will stick to be with their buddies that are still in the coop. This will take a bit of time, at least a month, so they can get used to home base and return to it each night. This is easiest done with a treat like millet or mealworms brought each evening at the same time. Once guineas are trained, you can release them. Guinea fowl can fly and will perch high in trees away from harm. This is why you can let them go to tend your yard. Guineas have loud voices, so it makes them good security alarms. When something they do not know comes into the yard, they will start squawking and making a ruckus to either scare them away or warn you something is up. One day, our guineas were going off. I was sent to go check on them because a couple days before, we found a dead weasel on the lawn. While I was headed over to check, I thought I saw 4 black and white kittens, but when I got closer, I saw they were baby skunks. They knew something was different, and they let us know. That could have been a stinky situation. Yikes! Good job, guineas. I have grown to love these ugly birds. They keep me, my family, and my pets clear from those nasty little ticks and all other creepy crawlies. They also can be good watchdog. I hope these facts and stories encourage you to learn more about guineas, or maybe even get your own ugly birds.